My name is Mindy Belcher. I'm a registered dietitian and part of your Strong4Life team. Today I'm going to be making tzatziki sauce. We're going to start with cucumber that I used a box grater to shred up. We're going to add it to some paper towels so that we can get the excess moisture out. We're going to squeeze the excess moisture out of the cucumbers so we can make a nice thick creamy dip. Once you do that, add it to your yogurt. Today we're using a plain, non-fat Greek yogurt in our bowl right here. Then we're going to add some olive oil for flavor and some fresh chopped dill as a nice bright flavor. Lemon juice for some acidity and flavor. Some fresh garlic that we have diced, 1 clove that we diced up, and then season it up with some salt and pepper. And you're just going to mix that to combine. Make sure it's all nice and combined thoroughly. You can go ahead and serve it now as a dip or on veggies or chicken, or you can save it and those flavors will just marry in the fridge. You can also top it on a nice Mediterranean bowl as your sauce. Hope you enjoy. For more resources and recipes, visit Strong4Life Hub on CareForce Connection.